In this question, we have to solve for x. These are just two ratios given in the form of equal to each other. So it is like A is to B equal to C is to D. So conceptually, whenever we have that, we write like this: A over B is equal to C over D. Ratios can always be converted into fractions as per the requirement. So that is the first step. After that, it will be written as 5 minus 3x over 9 minus x is equal to 3x plus 7 over 4 minus x. Cross multiplication will give me 5 minus 3x times 4 minus x is equal to 9 minus x times 3x plus 7. Then we need to just expand by multiplying the brackets. So it will be 20 minus 5x minus 12x plus 3x squared. On the other side also, it will be 27x plus 63 minus 3x squared minus 7x. As per the sign, we have just expanded it and then we will rearrange. So for rearrange, I will take the terms of x square on one side. So 3x squared plus 3x squared will become 6x squared. Then 27 minus 7 is 20x. Over here it is minus 17x. So minus 17 minus 20 will be equal to minus 37x. And then at last for the numbers, we have 20 and 63. If 63 comes to the left, then it will be 20 minus 63. That is minus of 43 is equal to 0. Now from here we have to simplify further by solving this quadratic. So for that we will see that what all factors we can have. Now 43 is a prime number, so it is very straightforward that minus 37 can be obtained by 43 minus 6. So I'll just use that directly. It will be 6x squared minus 43x plus 6x minus 43. And from these two, I'll have x common, so it will be 6x minus 43. Then from the other two, I don't have anything common, so it will be plus 6x minus 43. And that is equal to 0. So from here, I have got two values of x. One is x plus 1 and the other one is 6x minus 43 is equal to 0. And x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 43 by 6. There's no obligation on x value, so we can report both of them as the answer. If in case for any of this step you are not clear because of the speed of the video, then you can just try to watch that thing again.